Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 31st, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on gold, we had a nice impulsive move up. We had what looks to be like potentially three waves down. I was talking in my morning video about if it goes up and breaks this high, then I would definitely know that the higher time frames are back up. It hasn't done so yet. I think this is potentially looking like an ABC, but it could turn into a 1, 2, 3. I think we're going to eventually get another leg up, and if that next leg up goes to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and then turns back down significantly, that's a wave C. If it goes up and breaks this high right here, then that's a wave 3. And depending on our Fibonacci levels, that's going to tell us a lot about whether it's a wave 3 or whether it's a wave C, and what potentially is going on the higher time frames because of that. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.